Hey Max, it's Alex. In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you just a few different strategies and tools that we use to help generate business online for our clients through their website, and ultimately, generating leads online, right? So what I'll start off by saying is, so here we go. Sorry. So HVAC, Orange County. So when someone looks up something, a local based search term relevant to your business, let's start from the top right here. We have the Google ads. These charge you per click to the merchant. This is the Google Map Pack, very effective in local based marketing. I'll talk to you that in a bit. And then we have the top rankings on Google, which is your organic rankings, I should say. And this is where SEO comes into effect, search engine optimization. So this is your top competitor right here. I wouldn't say it's Yelp, it would be these guys. And one of the reasons why is, I'll tell you right here. So start off with content, right? So look at all of the content they have on here. So all the relevant words on their page, HVAC installation, experience, that's not the right, this would be the exact page. So see, Orange County Plumbing and HVAC Services, there's the headline relevant to that business that the person is searching for, right? So I always say we should have about 1,000 to 1,500 keywords on the home page, or not keywords, but just words of content in general. They also have a video which helps them. YouTube is owned by Google, so having a YouTube video on your page can help, especially top-rated HVAC and plumbing company in Southern California. So that's relevant. So when someone in Southern California is looking for an HVAC company, it trusts this website. It knows that there's this video that all of these people have watched about that is titled exactly that, right? And that's just a little thing. So when someone's searching for something, air conditioning repair near me, right? And I'm in Mission Viejo, so let's say the Mission Viejo company comes up, and the website that is based in Mission Viejo and talks a lot about air conditioning repair, it just makes sense that it's going to show up, right? In a very simple way of explaining it. But there's many different ways you can approach this that'll help you achieve it faster. So it's relevant content. You have interlinks. So what that is, so air conditioning right here, open the new tab, and now it opens the air conditioning services page. So, the website is understanding that this website is about air conditioning services, and this is going to help you. This is your on-site search engine optimization. Then you have your relevant keywords, different kind of terms like HVAC units, it's not a good example. HVAC systems, that's the right one, yeah. And then obviously, your top one right there. What else we got here? Let's check this out. Okay. Well, this is a bigger company regardless, that is showing up, and we're going to be utilizing different tools that they might not necessarily be using, and also just the usability of the platform. It lays it out and makes it. Google wants the website to be easy for its users to use it and to find what they're looking for, right? So relevant content is really going to help in that case. I'll go ahead and show you this tool that I use. It's called Ahrefs. What it's going to do is show you, so these guys, your top competitor, right? I say that because when you look up HVAC Orange County, it'll show you, so they're right here. And this tool is going to show you, look, how much traffic that they get a month. So that's 215 searches a month by ranking for a keyword like this. You can go ahead and look at the keywords that they are ranking for, that they're putting on their page, that they're saving in their descriptions, their meta tags. It also helps you save your pictures as, so this one right here, traditional, you would save this picture as, traditional AC repair in Orange County or something like that. And then rooftop AC repair Orange County. You save these pictures as all these keywords. All these little things combined are very effective. And for the most part, the top ranking websites won't be utilizing all of these tactics, but they'll be using some. If we use all of them, it's really going to help out. So here's another thing I want to talk about called backlinks. So what backlinks are websites that are pointing to your website, sort of giving Google, telling Google it's like a popularity contest. So right here you have the trust flow of the website and then the authority right here. So this would mean these are good stats, and that's why they're ranking up and getting this kind of volume. They have 33 referring domains pointing to their website. And this would be, a highly trusted website by Google. It has clearly some here, let me show you this. Some websites that Google is familiar with, that it knows and trusts, right? And it's pointing to their website. So let's see if we recognize any of these. And not only that, but we need these websites to be relevant to your business. That's going to go a long way. And a lot of times people don't necessarily utilize those, but they're still able to make it to the top after a good amount of time. Something like, so business bestserviceslocal.com, right? Freshchalk.com sounds kind of random. Thewowdecor.com, okay, like relevant to home improvement. Best-solar info, okay. So you get the point, this one, HVAC repair, besthvacrepair.com, that's relevant. So yeah, we need, again, relevant and trusted websites, pointing towards your website. So you can utilize this tool, Ahrefs, to literally copy all of the links that your top competitors have. You go here, let's see what this one is. Let's check this one, Best HVAC Repair. Let's check this one out. So we go on here and somehow get our link to your website. And that could be, so here we go. It's this video that they have a link. This video is on this website. There's all kinds of different blogs that we can get going, that are relevant, like on a website hosted like this. But yeah. So that's backlinks. We need relevant and authoritative backlinks going to your website. We need relevant website content on your page. Here's another thing called citations. And what citations are going to help you, Lakers news, huh? So HVAC Orange County. So citations are going to help you rank in the Google Map Pack. And what else would help you is exactly everything I just spoke of. A website that has a good amount of content, you got your 1,000 words of content on there. It's relevant. You have your keywords in there. You got some bolded keywords. You have links interlinked to other pages, and you're sending, if someone's on your homepage, they can go to your HVAC repair page, or they can go to your AC install page. They're different pages, and it's helping the user and everything. So this Google Map Pack, anyways, citations are going to help you rank here, as long also the website relevance. Sorry, been a long day. So what citations are business name, address, and phone number. So you could think anything like Yelp, Yellow Pages, stuff like that. So I grabbed some of your competitors. This is a tool I use called whitespark.ca. So you could see the kind of citations that other companies have, that they're using. So one way we could rank on this map pack, so when somebody in your area is looking up, AC repair near me, right? and check that out. Again, I'm in Mission Viejo, and that's why these guys are showing up here. Um, so how we can get that for your website, again, is with citations. And you can go ahead and look at your competition. They have 26 citations. You go ahead and click here. Facebook.com is considered one. Not all of them are created equal. BBB.org is more effective and authoritative, trusted in Google's eyes more than some of these other websites, right? So it's a very effective citation to have. One BBB.org link might be more strong than 25, birdeye.com links. I don't know what that is. Actually, something like this, fix.com. The DA domain authority, like I spoke of, is actually, see something like Yelp, right, is a powerful link. It's more authoritative in Google's eyes. So youtube.com. So we make all these social profiles for your business, right? You got your YouTube, your Facebook. You don't need to be going crazy on all these social profiles, but it helps to have your website link on there. So to rank again in the map pack, top 3 right here, we get more citations. Okay, than your top competitor, 26, easy. I can get you 80 in a month, for rather inexpensive. And we have reviews. So Google reviews are going to be very important. Right away we might not be able to. You can't actually. It's not suggested to message 50 of your past clients and have them give you reviews, because if 10 of them give you reviews, then Google's going to be like, whoa, why are they all of a sudden getting so popular? This is spam. So it's actually going to knock you points. So you have to do everything organic with Google. It takes time. These things kind of take time. Rather, you can do this pretty quickly, though. I would say with the right website build in a couple months or so. So citations, Google reviews, pictures. So how many pictures do they have? You want to have more pictures than them. And then not only that, you want to save these pictures as keywords. So let's see, they don't really have many pictures. Oh, this is Mission Viejo, but we'll talk more about your specific area. And then also you go on the Google My Business page, which I can obviously help you with as well. You have your reviews, and then here's your description. You type up your description. You want to use a little bit of keywords in there, and then you want to have constant updates. Fresh content that you're providing, and Google's going to see this, and it's going to like it, and it's going to boost you as a result. And it doesn't hurt to have, once again, some more relevant keywords, helpful information for people. So look, these guys are pretty active of recent. They've kind of dropped off, but they're ranking, so it's working. Different stuff like this, what to do with your old thermostat, zoning systems give you more. So you're just providing value to people, and stuff like that goes a long way. When Google's indexing it, it can tell that you're a helpful and business for them to send their searchers to, right? Anyways, this video went a bit longer than expected. I'll go ahead and get out of your hair here. Hopefully you found it valuable, and we can talk a little bit more about this. Again, if you just want me to build you a website and you say, Alex, this is great, but maybe down the road, don't worry about it. We'll talk about it. We can work together and figure something out. Love to help you guys out. You're a cool dude. You and your wife, met you guys, Dave and Buster's. Been busy since. Yeah, hopefully you found this valuable. Talk to you soon, man.